today's menu, a flavorful and easy dish you can make. Miso Glazed Eggplant.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. This is a simple yet delicious dish you can make with absolute confidence.
Reheat your oven to 375. Slice your Asian eggplant in half. Score your eggplant in a crisscross pattern. This will allow the glaze to penetrate the flesh. Medium-high heat. Saute pan. Olive oil. Sear to get a nice golden brown color. Line on baking tray. Make the glaze: 1 tablespoon cane sugar, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sake, 1 tablespoon miso paste. Whisk.
And all that amazing miso glaze will seep through that eggplant.
Bake in the oven for 20 minutes.
That is an easy and incredible way of making eggplant.
Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. This is an easy way to make eggplant taste delicious with absolute confidence.
Simple, delicious, with a side of amazing rice. There's no reason not to try making this. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.